So when we moved to the house, the owners who sold us the place told us not to hang anything on the wall because guess what? There was a mirror behind this crazy wall. And I don't know who in their right mind would paint over an awesome mirror like this. It's kind of insane. Look at that. Hey. Kind of insane. It's gonna look awesome, I do admit. It's gonna be crazy.
Yeah.
What some people
The
do to
trick
houses.
is going to be getting to the top while, like,
Yeah.
straddling stairs.
Yeah, you kind of need a special ladder for that.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully I'll make a video of the finished product. And we're almost done. Just that little spot left. It's hard to get to without a really big ladder. But it looks way better than I expected. I don't know why the hell someone will paint over this. And we are done. This is the final result. The mirror turned out to be way better than we expected. It's in perfect condition, and just using the razor blade, it's perfect. This is full on what it looks like. Here's a little bit of a look with the light. There we go. It makes the space look so much bigger. And that's it. That's our first little project that we did in the house. And that's it. Our first little DIY that we fixed up in the house. Hopefully we'll have many more.